Tygo. First award. Our first award is Miss PhilMed Pharmacy. Any representative from PhilMed Pharmacy?
Representative si Nicole.
Alright, the results are in my hand.
Yes.
Kuha, wala pa yung pot.
Miss,
Pot? Kuha, pa yung...
dengan na lang kita. Siguro kita sa piyak, kaya ituro.
Kapidya, malahan eh. Kapidya na yung live.
Okay, our Miss PhilMed Pharmacy will receive a gift and a cash prize. Our Miss PhilMed Pharmacy is candidate number. Okay, Miss PhilMed Pharmacy is candidate number 1. Congratulations, candidate number 1, our Miss PhilMed Pharmacy.
Jeneline Camano.
Wala yung apo.
Grabe man ang mga pumuluyo ni John, rain or shine, very supportive, good.
Ano pa na ati?
Our next award is Miss J. Kabatbat.
TikTok pa na natin.
Any representative from Miss J. Kabatbat will receive
Heater and MX3 capsule.
Bongga.
MX3 and Evergreen Coffee Mix. Sige.
Okay, Miss J. Kabatbat is candidate number.
Sulod gawa po, sulod gawa.
Candidate number 4. Picture. Okay, our next award is Miss FOS Cafe. Our Miss FOS Cafe is candidate number candidate number 3. Any representative from the FOS Cafe?
FOS Cafe, sino representative?
Tita. Tita.
Hindi rin ikaw mo na eh, kaya inupundak naman natin ang uran.
Bakit? Kasi ano, wala doon sa doon. Mawire doon sa. Oh my God. Sunod gawa po.
Our next award is Miss JC Assets.
Pak. Gato.
Our Miss JC Essence.
Is
Go!
candidate number
Candidate
number 5.
Pero tanan kong sundaramid dyan.
Miss
Cristeta Saho.
Pati ako manilugaga.
Alright, our next award is Miss Tats Nailed It.
Our Miss
Tats Nailed It is
Go!
candidate number
Two!
number. You're right. Candidate number 2.
Miss Corazon.
Kaga, buka gimana ka ng fake nails.
Mabasa.
Natawag
Buka
ko.
nails, bye. Buka.
Next award.
Our next award is Miss Grace and Boots Street Foods. Our Miss Grace and Boots Street Foods goes to candidate number
Candidate
3. And our last and final award is Miss Skygo. Our Miss Skygo and the representative from Skygo to award our Miss Skygo.
Miss Kaigo, number 1
All right.
or number 4.
Our Miss Skygo is candidate number. You're right, candidate number 2.
Hindi tama.
Congratulations, candidate number 2.
Sa kalimut. Ha?
Thank you so much.
58.
And the moment we all been waiting for. Our major awards. First award is Best in Production Number.
Number 5. 5!
Alright. Best in Production Number. To award. Best in Production Number will receive a cash prize and a sash.
Bakit ko kapon?
May call on, Ma'am Takardon,
Ay, paawat-awat pag-aura ng darabi.
to award our Best in Production
Click ang
Number.
4 pot.
Our Best in Production Number goes to candidate number.
Click iwan, tap kaliwa. 5!
Candidate number 5.
Miss
Crislena Saho.
Alata man ka nasa production. Nagigam kay wala po ang ay.
Our next award is. Ay,
Our next award is
Summer Wear. Our best in summer wear will receive a cash prize and a sash.
Go!
Go on.
Go!
Our summer wear award goes to candidate
Go! Go!
Candidate number 5.
Dami, bakit na kasi tayo?
Crislena Saho.
Dodon yan, saya. Tapos personal up lang sa sabog kama na kung sino gahapon award yung Muslim personal.
Our next award is Best in Talent. Our Best in Talent will receive also a cash prize and a sash.
Number 3 ko, Robes Itali. Number 1 or 3 Agi ang
The award will be given by
Ang kiss.
Ma'am Jen.
Okay na po. Ikaw naman yung pot alay-alay na.
Our best in
Duwatan,
talent
dadya ka po.
Yes.
contestant number
no other than candidate number
5!
candidate number 3.
Cristina Camillas.
Congratulations, Tita Pina, for bagging the Best in Talent.
Best in gown.
Our next award is Best in Evening Gown.
Sita Kuret na lang.
Our best in evening gown will receive.
A cash prize and
Kuya,
a
ano
sash.
yung number 3 tayo?
We may call on
Pa!
si
Alam sa mga sa tumang nila, mama. Nakakapag na nila siya. Damo-damo, dala nila. Ulo, kabilog na ito,
Requesting Wilfred Canatoy.
Our Vice President to please give the award to our best iniwigaw. Waay?
Ay, nagulitan. Sino?
Are, dyan.
Adyan ka no? Vice President ng Purok sa East.
Okay. Best in evening gown goes to candidate number
Go! Go!
candidate number 3.
Congratulations.
Basta siya mo na
The next award will be Best in Interview.
Our best in interview.
We'll receive also a cash prize and a sash. Best in Interview goes to
Bye.
Best in Interview goes to candidate number candidate number 3.
Atang ang interview pero paano?
Congratulations, Tinalina. Our best in interview. Next is the People's Choice Award.
Our best
People's Choice Award goes to our People's Choice Award goes to candidate number 5, Cristina Sao.
Jimmy Colon. Tata, please give the award.
Ari, ano yung wala niya ako?
Our minor award. Okay, let's move on to our major awards. Okay? Are you ready, candidates? This is the major awards. The third, the runner-up. Fourth? Sorry. Our fourth runner-up.
The fourth, first, second, third, second, first, third winner.
To award the fourth runner-up, may we call on
Wilfred Canatoy.
our Vice President to please award the fourth.
Kita laman tanan. Fourth, third, second, first, pag-winner.
Okay, the fourth runner-up of our Super Nanay Kampurok Sais 2025 goes to candidate number candidate number 4.
Redelisa Cambare.
Congratulations, our fourth runner-up. Congratulations, contestant number 4, our Super Nanay 2025 fourth runner-up. Next award is the third runner-up.
Sino bet nyo sa third runner-up?
To award our third runner-up, may I call on
Sheila Canatoy.
Sheila Canatoy.
To please give the award. Ilang ka lang na dyan, kasandal kay Banbi.
Nagkinahig.
Nagkinagi. Mama, pero malibata mo ko chinelas. Smuggle, blarang.
And also our
Our judge, Tata.
Nagtiil na siya.
Okay, our third runner-up goes to candidate number.
Our third runner-up goes to
Candidate number 1.
Jeneline Tambano.
Second.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, candidate number 1, our third runner-up. And now, the second runner-up.
Sino bet niyo sa second runner-up? Ha? Ano
The
ba?
second runner-up of Super Nanay Kangpurok Size 2025 is
Hey!
candidate number 2.
Corazon Caga.
Congratulations, candidate number 2, our
Requesting ng Jen
second runner-up.
to give the award.
Bonggang Swarovski Crystal.
Yes! Ang Cleopatra, Kapurok sa is.
Kapoy-kapoy na.
Alright, 2 nanays remaining. Candidate number 3 and candidate number 5. Please come center stage.
5 and number 3, please come forward.
Ang saway ng katuro.
Abay na katuro. Naman na ba yung water flow sa
Okay.
katong stage?
Pili ka mo ka holding
Holding
hands.
hands, bang holding yung hands. Ay! Tubangay ka mo, tubangay.
Tubangay ka mo.
May pagsambitay.
Okay!
Asa sa hawa? Ano ba sa hawa?
Okay, ang una naman kalawagan is our very own Super Nanay Kangpurok sa ACE 2025 and ang hindi naman malawang is the first runner-up. With
With a total of
92.03 and our first runner-up is 91.72. Kamay lang gid nga points.
Okay.
Good luck. Okay! Our Super Nanay Kangpurok Size 2025 is okay. Super Nanay Kangpurok Size 2025 is candidate number 5!
Wow!
Congratulations, our Super Nanay Kangpurok Size 2025, Tita Cristina Sao. And our first runner-up is Tita Tina Canillas. our sa winner kang aton nga Super Nanay, we have additional
Joy, Joy!
prize,
Joy!
cash prize from
Ang balian ay, yes, may salad. Yes. Yung bata yan, eh, sa Manila, di ba? Yes, kitaan, tuloy kita saladan!
Congratulations!
Matag pala sa dali, sa kanong kang-case ka na, doors ko pa daw sa...
Ano ka mo?
Tayo, gali po ito.
Paldo!
Congratulations sa tanan ni Nanay na naging president ni Gabi. Congratulations!
Tuloy kita salad, balian. Tuloy kita salad, balian. Ay, ay, may salad. May salad dito. Ang red horse, ita! Isa ka ka!
Congratulations!
Kasi ka mo ba?
The crown, we have
Ito mas ni mama. Ginamo gani mama. Kapicture kay mama. Kapicture kay mama dali. Ya sa baba la sa picture. Na picture mama.
Congratulations, Super Nanay Cristeta Saho. You truly embody the spirit of a Super Nanay.
Indeed, you are an inspiration to us all. Let's give one final round of applause to all our contestants and especially to our newly crowned Super Nanay.
Ang kapitan ka mo